Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change your desktop theme. Right now I have this autumn theme on my desktop and I want to change it so I can find something that match the season. Um, so the first thing I am going to do is to right click on my mouse and go down to personalize. Click on personalize. And then this screen should pop up. Once the screen is up, I'm going to go down to themes on the left, click on it. And then these are some of the themes that are there. So I want something that is different. So I'm going to go to get more themes in Microsoft Store, click on it. And these themes are free. So I'm going to go ahead and find something that I like. So I'm going to choose this one, Mountain Dwelling. So I'm going to click on it and then click on, and as you can see, this is how it look. I like this one. That's why I'm choosing it. I like these two. So I'm going to click on Get. And now it's downloading and I'm doing this in real time. See, it's downloaded. So now I can just go ahead and close this right here and then go down back to the theme and I should see it here. So I'm going to click on it and now it's changing. So I'm going to minimize this right here so you can see. So there you have it. This is how you change your theme and find new themes to add to your desktop or wallpaper. Thanks for watching and hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video.